Guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make Jamaican Fry Festival. Please stick around and watch this video, and I'm gonna show you how to make Jamaican Festival. For this recipe, I'm gonna use is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of cornmeal. And you want refined cornmeal, you don't want the coarse one. You want the smooth, nice refined cornmeal. You want 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 cup of milk. And you want some vanilla. And this is 2½ cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I'm gonna start by adding all the dry ingredients together. I already have the flour. I'm gonna add the cornmeal. And I'm gonna add the baking powder, and I'm gonna add the salt. Sugar is not a dry ingredient, so I'm gonna add this to the milk, and I'm gonna give this a nice stir because I want the sugar to be dissolved. And you can go ahead and use any milk you want. You can use all milk, you can use coconut milk, or you can just use water, but I like to use the milk. I like to use the milk in it. And I'm going to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of vanilla in it. So I add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So now I'm gonna make a well, and I'm gonna pour some of the milk mixture to it. I'm gonna pour some of this into it, not all of it at once. You're just gonna knead a dough. You're gonna make a dough, you're gonna knead it. Just like how you would knead dumpling. Gonna add some of the mixture to it. Finish making the dough, and you want the dough to look like this, something like this. This is how you want it to look. So I'm gonna get the oil heated 350 degrees. You want it somewhere between 350 degrees to 375. Now I'm gonna go and take off some small section like this. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch off some like this, so you know how much you're working with. If you want them bigger, you can take off bigger size. So I'm taking off them. So this is the size I'm working with. And I'm gonna just roll them like this. You want the edge to be pointy like this, and in the middle to be fat. Not necessarily fat, but you want pointy edges. To give it that classic Jamaican festival look. So what you're basically doing is just rolling it. And I'm gonna add this one into the pot. You want the halt. You want to turn on the stove to medium low, because you don't want outside to be cooked and inside is not cooked. Repeat this process until you make all the vegetable and put them into the pot to fry. You want to turn them. First of all, take about 3 to 4 minutes to fry. And they're going to get a bit puffy. The baking powder is what's going to make them rise. The baking powder rise them. See, they're changing color to golden brown and they're getting fluffier. And the least it's gonna take you is 15 minutes to do this. You're gonna smell the flavor bursting out of them. It smells so good. So you want to constantly check them because you don't want them to burn or you don't want them to get tough. You just want them to be crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. See how easy this is? It's not too hard for you to not do. If you follow the recipe, they'll come out really nice. They're not hard to make, they're very easy. You can make them into whatever shape you want. But if you want that original festival look, you can just roll them like this. And this is the last one. Last one in the pot. I'm gonna turn off the heat. It was so easy. My homemade festival, Jamaican style, my way of making festival. So if you like this recipe, please feel free to go ahead and make you some Jamaican festival or some festival. It's smelling so nice. I'm gonna show you how them look inside. I'm gonna break one. It's so hot. Oh my. And there you have it, guys, my finished product. Ooh, it's, I know how to make Jamaican. Oh my. I know how to make Jamaican festival. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Moya! 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 Ooh.
Mommy.
You want festival?
Festival?
Let's go do the taste test. These are your favorite? I know you like them. Cool it, cool it. And tell them if it's good. So nice. I love them. And we have some jerk chicken in the oven and we're gonna eat them with them. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Like, share, leave a comment down below if you aren't already subscribed to this video. Break it and show them. Break it. Break it. Let them see. It's so soft and delicious.
Bye, guys.